Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how to do crisscross braids, crossover braids, whatever you want to call it. So first off, you want to start with your section that you're going to be doing the braids in, and you're just going to split that part in half. I'm not the best at parting down the middle, so here's me struggling a little bit, but I got it after a while. So now that you have the two parts, you're going to put a horizontal part between both of them. This is going to be how you cross the braids over. There needs to be 4 parts in total. It's actually a little difficult making straight parts on a mannequin because the hair is kind of everywhere. It's different than parting on a human head. Now I'm going to put a horizontal line through the other half to create the 4 sections. Now I'm going to use these clips to separate the hair. So the side that you're going to start with, you're going to take that opposite side and clip it down so it's out of the way. Now this section that is diagonal to that side is also going to be put away with a clip. So now you just have the pieces that you're going to be working with, which are diagonal to each other. They're going to connect when you're braiding. And now is when you can start braiding. You're going to braid all the way up in a straight line, and then it's going to connect to that piece on the left, and it's going to keep going from there. And that's how you make the first half of the cross. Now this is me starting the braid. If you need a tutorial on how to braid on the scalp, how to do a cornrow, then I have a tutorial for that posted on my channel, so you can go watch that video. As you can tell, I'm a bit of a slow braider. Even with this video being sped up, it's still a little slow. So that's just something I have to work on as a braider, is braiding faster. But yeah. Now when you get to this point, after you've braided that whole first section, now it's going to cross over to that section on the left. And we're just going to continue the braid and connect those pieces of hair, just continuing the braid.
It's foreign.
Now this is what we have so far, the first part. Now we can start the next part. It's just gonna be braiding up that left side on the bottom to connect to the right side on the top, and I'm just gonna speed it up and let you guys watch me do it. So that is how you do these crossover braids, guys. It's actually quite simple once you know how to do it. I hope this was helpful and I hope you learned something from this. And thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you don't already, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And stay tuned for the next video.